Welcome back to my channel, my Vibrant Beauties. Welcome if you are new. It's your girl Lette, and today I'm going to be doing this like green gold smoky eye, just for fun, not anything special, but I love green, playing around with colors. So greens and golds just complement each other so well, and especially for our darker skin tone sisters, greens go really well, like the olives and everything like that. So if you want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna first prime my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And then, oop, dance break. Then going in my T-zone with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Then I'm going in with my Jouer High Coverage Essential Concealer in the shade Coffee, and then in Amber. Going to blend that concealer out with this paw brush. It's the best brush to blend out the concealer. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. It's time to snatch this face, honey. That's right, contour. Then I'm going in with my favorite combo. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in 14 Neutral and the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in Macao. Going to fill in all of the spaces where I did not put concealer or my contour. To make sure everything is seamlessly blended, I'm going in with my Blended Egg by Beauty Bakery. And because I wanted a little bit more highlight, I'm going in with my Uoma Beauty Stay Woke Concealer in Brown Sugar Tea 2. To set all of the places where I put concealer, I'm first going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Micro Smooth Powder, I think it is, in the shade 2 Medium. Then I'm going over the rest of my face with the Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Y'all see that magic I just did with my eyebrows? Now that they're on, I'm going to clean it up with those same two Jouer concealers. Before I get started on my eyes, I'm going to put powder down with this DermaBlend Pro Illuminating Banana Powder in order to catch fallout and also to snatch my face even more by setting my concealer again. I think it's time for me to bring you all a little closer so I can get started on the eyes. And now that you are closer, I'm going in with the Cutting Edge palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm going to use all of the colors in the palette, so you're going to see that. With this ABH eye primer, I'm going to cut the crease because, hey, a good cut crease is all we need in this life of sin, you know? On all of these shimmer shades, I'm going to basically just spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. Going in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. I'm going to put this in my waterline. And that's all we're gonna do for this nice green and gold smoky eye. You see. I'm gonna zoom you all back out so we can finish the rest of the face. First, I'm going to wipe off the excess powder that we put from that DermaBlend Pro. And then I'm going to basically just go ahead and spray my face to get that powdery look away from my face. Going in with my Glamour Bronze by Morphe in the shade Leader. I'm gonna bronze up this skin, honey. She needs to bring some nice golden tones back into this face. Going in with the MAC blush in Raisin, I'm going to blush up my cheeks, you know. It's time to get that natural poppin'. Going in with my Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa bronzing and highlighting palette, I'm going in with this Espresso color to highlight my face. Next, I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Kush mascara and just coat my top and bottom lashes. We're going to put on some falsies, and this is by my cousin Black Wings in the style Passion. Next, I'm going to line my lips with the Morphe color pencil in Trendsetter, and I'm also going to use Cork liquid lipstick by Dose of Colors. And because I wanted it a little bit lighter in the middle, I'm going in with Lime Crime's Velveteen in the color Cashmere. Next, it's time to get this hair together, honey, and then I will be back with the final look. So you guys, this is the final look. Yes, I am, whew, girl, you see this green? Oh yes, girl, I am feeling myself. So let me know what you all think. I did get the full Vault collection from Dose of Colors, which is the Cutting Edge palette that I used in today's video. Also the Baked Browns, the Sassy Siennas, Marvelous Mauves, Blushing Berries, pretty cool, and then the Smoky Soiree. This one is going to be next because there's some colors in here, sis, that I'm like, who you, who me? Like, let me know what you all think. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. And don't forget to leave a comment and click the notification bell so you know that when I upload. With that being said, I'm your girl Lette, and I'm out.